Hi, we're gonna try and install CA single sign-on Access Gateway. This is the version 12.7 of the Access Gateway. The install originally comes packaged in a zip file. We unzip the file and then we just run the exe. That'll launch the installer. The CA Access Gateway is also called the CA Secure Proxy Server. It used to be called Secure Proxy Server. Now it's rebranded to CA Access Gateway. This needs a JDK version 8. We're gonna install to a file path which does not contain spaces. We'll choose the Java executable which is under the which is in the JRE folder, which is under the JDK folder. Install. This will install all the files needed for the CA Secure Proxy to run, which includes Apache Web Server, CA SiteMinder Web Agent, and Tomcat server which hosts the web applications.